If you are on the phone all day or just looking for a great wireless headset, you are absolutely going to love this one. This is so comfortable. It does not fall off. It's super adjustable as well. I love the fact that you could just put that up or put this down. Really love the hand controls as well. This is super adjustable. You could easily just pull this in, pull this out. This is Bluetooth, which is great as well. And you have all these easy buttons right over here to turn the volume up or to turn the volume down. It does come with a charger right over here, and you get this nice base. So this is how you're going to charge this with this base. I love the fact that you could just put this on your desk. Sometimes I feel like when you get these wireless headphones, like you just like take them off and throw them on your desk, or you got to find the charger. With this, it's really nice to just put on your desk. It's sleek. You're also going to get this piece as well. I just really like this. The sound quality is great. It's easy to talk on this. The Bluetooth connection was super easy. You'll see here, you got the mono and stereo. You could do the mic mute button, which we kind of talked about. It eliminates the noise. Powerful battery life. More about that. It has about 400 hours of standby time, and it only takes about 2 hours to charge. Absolutely awesome, really well made. Like I said, this is not going anywhere. Love the fact that this piece just could be easily removed if you didn't want to use it at all. And of course, the stand, just putting this on your desk, it just kind of looks nice too. It doesn't look like your typical charger. So if you're looking for a great wireless headset, definitely check this out, and a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this video.